Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add notes, questions and reflections to the Bible on the Bible application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. After that, tap on the More button down below in the right side corner of the screen, and then you should scroll down and tap on the Notes section. After that, you should click on Add your first note. Tap on the Add Verse button to select the relevant verse to which you would like to add your reflection, thoughts and notes about. So click on the Add button in the upper right corner of the screen. You can highlight it if you want to, and tap on the What would you like to say box down below to type in your thoughts, notes and basically anything that comes to your mind or that you would like to save for later. When you are done with it, click on the Save button in the upper right corner of the screen again, and as you can see, it has been added to this section, to the notes section. If you want to, you can add comments to it, and you can also mark it as liked by tapping on the heart icon. If you click on the three dots icon, you can share it, pray it, create an image of it, compare several versions to each other, copy it, edit it or delete it. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.